Welcome to our exploration of key business analysis documents and tools. Understanding these is crucial for successful project management. We'll cover essential documents like business requirements documents and software requirement specifications, and tools that enhance efficiency. Let's dive into how these elements form the backbone of effective business analysis. A business requirements document, or BRD, is a formal document detailing high-level business needs. It acts as a foundational agreement between stakeholders and project teams, ensuring everyone understands the project's purpose. The business requirements document sets the stage for detailed analysis and solution design, capturing what the business aims to achieve without delving into technical specifics. The software requirements specification, or SRS, is crucial for translating business needs into technical requirements. It captures both functional and non-functional aspects, detailing software performance, security, and compatibility constraints. This document ensures developers have a clear blueprint, bridging the gap between business objectives and technical execution. Use cases are essential for illustrating user interactions with a system to achieve specific goals. They detail user intentions, steps taken, system responses, and variations. This approach helps visualize system behavior from an end-user perspective, making it easier for both business and technical teams to understand functional requirements. User stories are concise descriptions of features from the user's perspective, crucial in Agile. They focus on delivering value by aligning features with user needs. This format encourages team discussions to clarify requirements, ensuring everyone understands the user's perspective and the value each feature brings. Process flow diagrams are essential for mapping business processes. They illustrate the sequence of activities, decision points, inputs, and outputs. This visual tool aids in understanding processes, identifying inefficiencies, and designing improvements. By making complex processes clear, they facilitate communication across teams, ensuring everyone is aligned on process functionality and potential enhancements. Business analysts rely on Jira for tracking tasks in Agile projects, ensuring efficient workflow management. Confluence is key for collaborative documentation, enhancing team communication. For visual representation, Visio and Lucidchart are indispensable for creating detailed diagrams and system maps, aiding in clear process visualization and understanding. Microsoft Excel is indispensable for organizing and analyzing data. Wireframing tools like Balsamiq are perfect for sketching user interfaces. Trello excels in managing tasks and organizing workflows visually. These tools complement essential ones like Jira and Confluence, enhancing our ability to manage both technical and non-technical aspects effectively. Understanding these documents and tools is crucial for bridging business needs with technical implementation. They ensure project success by aligning stakeholders and project teams. Mastering these essentials empowers business analysts and project managers to drive projects efficiently and effectively.